Hey guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can see who is viewed your Instagram account. So, in short answer, actually, you cannot see, or there's no such features or option where is allowed to see your Instagram account who is viewing behind your back. So, if you go to Google and ask it, you can find the answer directly. No, you cannot see who views your Instagram profile. Okay, so just don't waste your time. You will find many apps in the Play Store who is claim that it will be able to show you, but they actually show fake results. So don't rely on this. It may hack your Instagram profile or account. Okay, so guys, you got your answer, I think. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.